right, so continuing from last time when the video ended, I did want to show you how you can include, say, an image. So let me show you. I just went and uploaded, you can use the upload button here. I uploaded, where did it go? Oh, there it is, a plot that I made at one point in my life for a paper. So I'm just showing you where the plot is. You can actually make reference to this since this is stored on the web now, and be able to make reference to it in your notebook. So let's do a level 1 heading here. I'll just call it image. I don't know why I did a level 2 heading before, but that's okay. Level 1, by the way, is just 1 hashtag, and then 2 is level 2, 3 hashtags are level 3, and so forth. Okay, so I had copied my URL. All that you need to do is surround that URL by parentheses. Then you make reference to the image. You can insert some sort of caption like that. Okay, so now we have it ready. What else do I need to check at this point? Well, actually, let me add in some text here. That would be nice. You can insert an image like this. So everything looks good. I have forgotten something. Can you look around the screen? What have I forgotten to do? If you look up at the top, I'm still in a code cell. Need to change that to a markdown cell. Click back in the cell, and there I've got my headings. Let's figure out what's happening with my headings here. But notice, first of all, the output is here. I think it looks really nice, and if you were wanting to share an image with a collaborator or something like this, this would be a nice way to do it, and then you could print out your notebook and send it as a PDF or HTML page, whatever. All right, so this is one of the things I want us to get used to. Okay, so everything looks good here except our headings. So what happened with those? So if you notice that this is happening, and I actually just was being sloppy here, so this was not an intentional teaching moment of mine, but you can go back and click. And how can I fix this? Well, you do need that space. And so notice right there, it gives you a little cue almost instantly that you have made a heading. Shift Enter, you've got it. So let me also fix this one. I'm used to a different program that does not require that, and so I all the time will make that mistake, and then I don't look back. Notice the difference between my level 1 and level 2. Remember, this was level 1, this was level 2, so it's a little smaller. I did it in kind of a strange order, of course, but that's okay. All right, what else do we need to talk about here? I think until we get much further, I don't want to include too much more. And I'll just show you how easy it is to include a LaTeX formula. For those of you who like to use LaTeX editing, this is a really great feature here that I enjoy. So we have, say, an equation to print. All we need to do is enclose our expression within the dollar signs, just as you would the regular brackets for LaTeX editing. I'm just making up something here. So then we have, let's go back and change this to a markdown cell again. And there we get a nice equation. Look, I made the same mistake before. I'm so good at doing that. Special talent. Okay, so here's an equation to print. There's one other problem. You're seeing all in this. We just do this. There we go. So easy enough. This will allow us to integrate, so if you need to make reference to a formula, you just include that formula with the LaTeX style commands within those $signs, and it's very easy to do. You can see, you can go back, edit when you make mistakes. I always type too fast and make mistakes, so you're seeing me in action here, an authentic programming experience. Let me go ahead and just save, update. It's kind of called creating a checkpoint within your Jupyter notebook, and we'll stop here. Next time, we are going to start with the programming notes, because I've shown you enough that for your practice here, I want you to actually just create your first Jupyter notebook and just try whatever you like. Maybe I'll give you a sequence of commands to perform. And once you're doing that, you're ready to start programming in Python using this platform. Of course, for those of you who want to go back and use the regular script files, we will be reviewing how to do that as well. But I think for learning our first bit of Python programming, this Jupyter Notebook is a great platform for that, just like the Markdown Notebook was a great platform for R. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.